I'm Dr. Laura Brainard. I am an ENT surgeon specializing in ears. I was really attracted to ear surgery. It's fairly intricate. It's all microsurgery and it's very precise work, and I like working with my hands, and that was a challenge that appealed to me. Communication really is the foundation, I think, of good medical care. In order for me to be able to help a patient, I have to understand not only what's going on with them, but what's important to them and what their goals are. It's also important for them to understand what's wrong and what the options are and what we can reasonably expect to achieve. When a patient has had a very successful surgical outcome and, for example, they can hear better than they ever expected. And that is just delightful. I had a patient yesterday who he was just so excited he could hear. And one of the things that people say when their hearing is restored, in this case through stapes surgery, is everything's so loud, it's too loud. And they do get used to that, and it doesn't always occur to them as too loud, but it's like you've turned on a light bulb in their head or their hearing. You've turned on their hearing. I'm Dr. Laura Brainard. It would be an honor for me to help you with your healthcare journey. I look forward to meeting you.